2. Nightingale kept it. Block, green block!
Justin Worth at quarterback. To the second back through, it's Mitch Thalen. Nightingale. Going up top. Caught! Fowler in business from the 31. Tyler Kennick's off the left side. Mendon in white, Fowler in blue. Nightingale fakes his way to find an open receiver. That's Tanner.
Watch the play, but they also false key. Look at Brueck pulling to the left. A little ball fake to Tyler Harris off left. Boots the other way. He finds Cook in the flat. Makes the first man miss. That's what any good running back will do. Not well executed play. What deception for a Division VIII football team.
Punt formation. And he will offer the little pooch punt. And that Thalen, the deep back. Handoff is to Thalen.
It's the fish too, so.
Back to pass. Up top. Into double coverage, and it's
smooth. Look at play action, set your feet, step into the throw, and now let your receiver make the play.
Handoff. Mitch Thalen. And they need to stiffen up here and come up with a big stop. Nightingale keeps it into the end zone.
And they're going to fake it here. He's going to keep it. Nightingale, the quarterback, he's going to find the seam. We talked about he's giving it. I said sooner or later.
1st and 10. Handoff deep in the backfield, and Mendon's on why they're undefeated this year. 13 games in, they haven't lost one yet. It's Nightingale around the right side. Coming back to the middle of the field, picking up some blockers. And caught from behind. Nightingale looking to throw. Dumps it short to Nick Everson.